Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the WordPress. So today we are going to learn how to show the post published date. So basically whenever we post any of the post into WordPress, so we have to show the date, like on which date the this post has been published. So we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here you can see that the post date. Okay, so here you have to just add this param, that is get the date function of the WordPress. Just copy this. Okay, and if I want to show on the custom listing page, let's see. So here we have the pages. So here we have the template file, that is test. So here we have all the posts. Okay, if I want to show the date on which date it is published, so what I have to do is go to our page material. So here I need to just add line of code, and let's see what is the result of that one. That is the get the date. Okay, and here is we go get the time. So let's upload it and check. So you can see that July 27, 2023. Okay, so this is how we are able to add the date on which date it is published. So all the dates are the same. Okay, and there are certain formats also. Whether you want, if you don't like that format, you can go and switch the format also. This is the another format if you want to add this one. So just copy this and check this format also. If you want to make the date appears as this one, if you want like this, you can also use this one. If you want like this wedge and this, you can go with this one. So with this documentation you will also get to fetch this one. Okay, if it is want, if you want to that in that format 15th Jan 2023, you can use the format dsmy and the post id. Okay, and if you simply you want, just go with the get the date. Okay, so any query, any doubt in that, just let me know. And if you want, there are certain methods over here format, so you can just use this one format. To whatever format you suits, you can use this one. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.